there's a lot of good setups, a lot of good long setups. Just gonna have to be careful. I still have my calls. I got some swings on here with NVIDIA and SPX. I'm gonna be selling calls at the open. Well, or I'll be selling calls if we get to rip up into here. NVIDIA, my calls are gonna be up nice. I'd love to see a pullback in 292. That happens to be pre-market, and we might get that. So I like seeing this sell off into the pre-market lows and open down here. SPX pullback, open right over that calculated level, over that the close yesterday, right over that 28.40, whatever, right at the close. And this is back down here. That's the trade I'll be looking for to get another strike. And if it breaks that, I'll go ahead and take profits on the swing calls. If it doesn't break it, I'm looking to hang on to my swings a little bit further into the week. This thing's got lots and lots of room to the upside. Patient, man. Top of the hour, I'm gonna take some profits here. I'm watching NVIDIA just because I want to take some profits. But I need a 5-minute candle close here and see if we can't close over pre-market highs. If we can, I think we might get a nice move into 301.
Order filled.
Taking some profits here. Hell yeah, let's go, man. I'm gonna take a little more off 302.